Hey, Thomas here, coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com. Today I have something, as you can see, very, very special. This is a custom 1989 Chevrolet IROC with T-tops, twin turbo with a 6.0 LS motor. Yes, check this out real quick. This paint is immaculate, but check what's underneath this hood. You guys ready? You guys ready? Ready? Here we go. Bam! 6.0 twin turbo, all set up, guys. Show quality car. Purrs like a kitten, and it's a beast when you step on the throttle. This car is strictly ready for someone who knows how to drive. Don't think, hey, I'll just take this thing out. You gotta be careful. Paint is excellent on this thing. Here, listen to it real quick. Paint is excellent. Okay, let me just kill the light here. Okay. Super high quality paint job. Fully restored car. Underneath, you can eat off of it. The suspension has been modified. Brand new motor in the car. 6-speed manual transmission. Big rear end, 4-wheel disc. You gotta read the description on this thing. Heavily documented, one owner car, title in my hand from the original owner from '89. Okay, so this is something special, guys. It's not something we're gonna see every day. Okay, leather interior, T-tops, just freaking mint. A little bit under 2,000 miles since the restoration on this immaculate restoration. You heard it. You seen it. If you want to deliver to your garage, let me know. You can do a credit application on my website, MGMClassicCars.com. Click the upper right-hand corner, Finance tab. You will need 10% down. And if you need delivery, we can deliver it right to your driveway. I will need you to call me or text me. I do prefer texts. There are the T-tops there. I do prefer text, like I said. I'll get you a quote. All I need is your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. And if you want to own this beautiful IROC, guys, you're going to pay for it. Because I surely did. Look at this paint. I mean, it is gorgeous. Spot on. Shop around. It's one of a kind, guys. Again, I can be reached at 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. My name is Thomas, and this right here is my '89 IROC twin turbo 6.0 with the 6-speed manual trans. Let's go. Give me a call.